back to Floma, and like I said a long time ago, I'd be making a part 2 to this.
But now she's going to probably have a part 3 and 4 and 1000.
Well, excuse me, this gets boring. It's like... Except actually with string.
But I guess she's gone farther. She's done
No,
the top
yeah.
row. And a bunch
And I've done this, and that, and that. Oh, wait,
Before
that was
you
there
only had the
before, that was there
horn.
before. And I'm doing this. See, it's just boring.
Yeah. I bet the viewers are already leaving the video.
Well, excuse me. Unlike your channel, they actually probably like mine.
Oh, maybe.
Don't say anything in the comments, because I can't read comments. It sucks. Comments. Okay, but yeah.
YouTube needs to fix that.
And in case you've forgotten how to do this and you were waiting for a part 2, sorry, that took forever. So you're going to put the hook through one of the strings like that.
Oh, but you taught this in the last video, but sure.
Yeah, I know, but I'm making sure they didn't forget. What do you think I just said?
Oh yeah, it's been
Did
a
you
year and a
just
half.
fart?
No, I did not.
It stinks like poop in here. Okay, and then you're going to kind of put it over the latch. Go like that. I probably did a more detailed way of doing it in the last video. I'm not sure. Riker's the person who looks at YouTube all day. Cameraman. But, yeah. Ooh, maybe. And we're about to start. So, LO Movies is quitting. Don't tell anyone yet. The LO Movies will be posted. And if you don't know what LO Movies is, it'll be in the description below. And also, we are going to be adding one of my series from LO Movies to this channel called Life of a Teenager Hobo.
Season 2.
Season 2. So
Maybe
you'll
we
have to
should-
watch the first season on LO Movies.
Maybe we should like film a couple episodes before we post them and then make a trailer.
Yeah, trailer time. But, yeah. And that's it for today. See you next time on Flama.